Most people think you need extra money to start saving. But the truth is, I started saving when I literally had $0 left after every month. No extra income, no backup, nothing, just a mindset shift. One day, I realized something important. People don't start saving when they make more money. They start saving when they finally decide they're tired of feeling broke. That was me. I was frustrated, stressed, and tired of always waiting for the right time to save. So I tried something different. I told myself, what if I act like I'm already someone who saves, even with no money? The first change I made was awareness. Instead of saying, I can't save, I started asking, where is my money going? So I tracked every expense for 7 days. And the moment I did that, I realized something surprising. I wasn't broke. I was spending without noticing. Even small things like snacks, random online shopping, or it's just a few dollars moments were eating my income. Next, I created a rule that changed everything. Pay yourself first, even if it's $1. I know it sounds tiny, but that $1 wasn't about the amount. It was about building the identity of someone who saves, someone who puts themselves first. At the start, I literally saved $1 a day. That's it. But gradually, when I saw it growing, I wanted to save more. I started reducing unnecessary spending, not because I was forcing myself, but because I finally had a reason, my own financial future. Then I created a simple system. Every time I wanted to buy something unnecessary, I waited 24 hours. Most of the time, I didn't want it anymore. And that saved me more than I expected. I also started doing something powerful. I labeled my savings. Instead of calling it savings, I named it Future Me Fund. Suddenly, saving became exciting instead of stressful. It felt like I was paying my future self, and that made me take it seriously. And guess what? Within a few months, I went from saving $1 a day to saving $50 to $100 monthly. Not because I earned more, but because my habits changed. A $0 mindset doesn't mean being broke. It means starting with what you have, not waiting for more. Saving isn't about how much you earn. It's about how you behave with the money you already have. The moment you take control, even in small ways, your financial life starts to shift. If you feel like you can't save, start small. Start messy. Start with $1. Because saving isn't about the amount, it's about the identity. And once you become the person who saves, your money will start following that identity. That's how I started saving with a $0 mindset. And you can too.